What if I told you the real secret to building massive wealth isn't about the next hot stock pick or a quick side hustle, but about thinking decades ahead? Billionaires don't chase short-term wins. They play a much bigger game. And today I'll show you exactly how you can start thinking like them. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the mindset shift that separates ordinary investors from those who build empires, thinking in decades instead of days. This single shift can help you stay calm during market chaos, leverage the magic of compounding, and make smart, not emotional financial decisions. And here's the catch, very few people ever master this, but if you stick with me until the end, you'll have 5 simple exercises that can rewire your financial brain for long-term success. The "what if I never sold" exercise? Most people treat stocks like lottery tickets, buying and selling on emotion. But long-term thinkers treat them like business partnerships. Here's the action. Pick one company you truly believe in and imagine you can't sell that stock for 20 years. Now research their long-term business plan. What's their 10-year vision? Who are their competitors? What's their moat? The thing that makes them unbeatable? This forces you to shift focus from short-term price swings to the fundamental health of a business. You stop being a speculator and start acting like an owner. Most investors will never do this. They'll keep refreshing their stock app daily, but you'll see wealth differently. The future self financial plan. Most people only plan next month's budget, but true wealth builders plan for their 10, 20, even 30-year future self. Action step. Write down your life vision in 10, 20, and 30 years. Where do you live? What work are you doing? What causes are you supporting? Then work backward. Calculate what each major milestone, buying a house, paying for education, or starting a business, will actually cost. This transforms saving from something I should do into a tool to build the exact life I want. And here's the shocking part. Once you do this, you'll realize every dollar you spend today is either pulling you closer or pushing you further from that future self. The financial history audit. If you want to predict the future, study the past. Most people panic in downturns because they don't know how markets have behaved for decades. Action step. Pick an index fund like the S&P 500 and study its performance over the last 50 years. Note the crashes, the dot-com bubble, the 2008 crisis, and see how markets always recovered. Then calculate how much a small, consistent investment would be worth today. This proves one thing: patience beats panic. Crashes aren't permanent losses, they're temporary setbacks. And yet, every crash creates two kinds of people: those who panic sell and those who quietly build generational wealth. Which one will you be in the next downturn? So here's the takeaway. Stop thinking in days, start thinking in decades. That's how you turn money into empires. Use these 3 exercises to train your mind. Treat investments like businesses, not tickets. Plan for your future self. Study financial history. This is the mindset billionaires use. And now, it's in your hands. If this video shifted how you think about money, hit that like button, share this with a friend who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more videos like this. And in the comments, tell me, are you thinking in days, years, or decades right now?